everyone, I am Srijan of class 4th. Today I am going to tell you about birds. There are about 10,000 kind of birds. Every bird has different qualities and features. Let's have a look on my project. First of all, we will start with nightingale. Nightingale is able to produce over 1000 different sounds. Skylark. Skylark is famous for singing in the air. Hillmena. Hillmena likes areas like jungle and hills. Crow. Crow makes its nest on the topmost branch of a tree. Cuckoo. Cuckoo doesn't make its nest. It lays its eggs in the crow nest. Penguin. Penguin lays its eggs on pebbles in the cold regions and it cannot fly. Owl and woodpecker. Owl and woodpecker are the birds which make its nest in the holes of the tree trunk. Vulture and kite are called birds of prey. They kill other animals to eat. Stork, crane and flamingo are called wading birds because they can walk in the mud or water without getting their body wet. Swan. Swan is a swimming bird. Pelican. Pelican use its elastic pouches to catch fish. Hummingbird. Hummingbird is the smallest bird which can flap its wings 90 times in 1 second. Parrots. Parrots can imitate our voice. They are quite intelligent and colorful birds. Kingfisher. Kingfisher has excellent eyesight. It is known for its colorful look. Sparrow and pigeon. Sparrow and pigeon are called perching birds. They can even sleep while perching on wires or branches of a tree. Hen. Hen is a scratching bird. It scratches in the ground to find insects. Toucan. Toucan is known for its large and colorful beaks which can be 4 times the size of their head. Canary. Canary is commonly kept as household pets. Peacock. Peacock is our national bird. It takes years to develop colorful tail feathers. Kiwi. Kiwi is the national icon of New Zealand and it cannot fly. Ostrich. Ostrich is the largest bird and it is a flightless bird. I hope you like it. Thank you. Have a nice day.